Hey, it's Adam, Motor City Classic Cars, out front of our showroom in Vero Beach, Florida, with this absolutely stunning 67 Corvette Coupe. Goodwood green exterior, dark green interior. Those are the original color combinations on this car. Matching numbers 327, 350 on this car, 4-speed. This is an absolutely beautiful frame-off restoration. NCRS Top Flight Award after its frame-off. This car is absolutely the quintessential 67. You want to get something that you can show. People are going to love with that color combination, but it's absolutely drivable and enjoyable. This is your 67. So I'm going to grab that camera. We're going to get around this car. We're going to look at the inside. It's a great 67 Corvette, and if you're in the market, let me know. 772-252-3590.